Welcome back. Desecration of holy idols continue in the state even after police claiming an increase in night patrolling. A statue of Vailankini Saibin and a cross was found desecrated at Fatodda by some miscreants on Sunday night.
A statue of Vailankini Saibin was desecrated at St. Roch Cross near Fatodda Stadium. 50 meters away from this spot, a cross was found desecrated. The incident occurred on Sunday night. Locals have demanded strict police vigil during night.
हांव सकाळीं पावणे 8 कामां वयतालो. कामां वयता आसतना हांवें पयलो आमगेलो मेन रोडाचेर आमी थोड्या बांदार तो पुलिसाचे वयर आमचो क्रॉस आसता तो मोन उडयलो. थिंगा मोडलो म्हणटकूच आमचो म्हाका रोखडो आनी फोन येयलो की आमगे वेलिंगन सायबीन तो सेंट रॉक क्रॉस आहा तितून एक वेलिंगन सायबीन आहलोली ती नासली आमगेले ती काडल्या भायर आनी ती फोडून सकयल जमनीन उडयलो त्या गोमटी बांबून उडयलो आहा ती. हांव नको हिंग कितें चलता पळय तें आमचें बघून आमगे क्रिस्तांव धर्माचेर आमचें कित्या लागून हें कोत्ताय तें. आनी एक मुगे रिक्वेस्ट आहलोलो मेन म्हणल्यार कितें आतां हे आमगे फिश भोंवताय तेंचे घाताय आनी हितून भितर एडवर्टायज घेताय कोण कितें घालता आमच्यान सांगूंक येना. हांव कितें मुगे एक रिक्वेस्ट आहलोलो जे कोण मेंटल कोण आहा हे भोंवताय रस्त्यान तें कोण इमिजिएटली धरपाचें भितर उडोवपाचें आनी तेंगे गांवांत धाडपाचें. हिंगा आतां डेली इन्स्पेक्शन कोत्ताय रातचे पुलीस येता पळय तेंकां धरपाचें भितर उडोवपाचें. मुगे एक रिक्वेस्ट आहलो आमगे गांवचे MLA पास हांव रिक्वेस्ट कोत्ता मातशें तेंकां हें कोर आनी तुमचें तेंकां मातशें आमगे हिंगा वयल्यान शिफ्ट करपाचें काडपाचें म्हणून हिंगाचें.
Mayur Naik for Prudent.
While state government is busy boasting of first-class medical facilities in the state, ailing patients struggle for basic medication in government hospitals. 80-year-old Sita Farte with a hip bone fracture was referred from Hospicio to GMC and from GMC to Hospicio and back to GMC. She spent almost 3 hours in ambulance.
80-year-old Sita Rama Farte was forced to spend 3 hours in ambulance for treatment of a hip bone fracture. Sita had to travel from Friday for her treatment. From Kurchade Health Center to Hospicio to GMC to Hospicio and back to GMC. Family members of Sita were annoyed with this harassment.
तिका आमी इतून कुर्चेरा म्हणून थंय एडमिट केली 4 दीस उरली ती. थंय जायना म्हणून ट्रिटमेंट तिका मडगांव धाडली. पयर सांजची धाडटकीर ती म्हणपा लागली आमगेले हांगा कांय ट्रिटमेंट करूंक मेळना तिका हाडाचे प्रॉब्लेम आहा फ्रॅक्चर बी जाला तुमी बांबोळी घेवन चला म्हणून. बांबोळी व्हरतकीर ती म्हणटा डॉक्टर आमच्या डायबिटीज पेशंटाक कांयच करूंक जायना म्हणटा. ह्या डॉक्टरा कडेन चल म्हणटा त्या डॉक्टरा कडेन चल म्हणटा. सगळ्या डॉक्टरा कडेन भोंवली आमी. रिक्वेस्ट केल्या पासून डॉक्टर आयकना. मागीर आमी कितें करपाचें. जाणटी मनीस तिका उबारूंक जायना कांय जायना. आमचे कडेन वयना. म्हाजो घोवय बरो नासता. कोणाक हाडटली आमकां आदार कोणाचोच ना.
This is the sorry state of affairs. Seems like the authorities at the government hospitals are busy passing the buck. Savio Dias from Madgaon.
Goa Cricket Association's Goa Professional League is a franchise-based tournament. The teams are formed with franchisees buying players at the auction. Unlike the IPL, there is no provision to retain the players in the GPL, hence teams wear a new look every season. While defending champions Depo Cricket Club and Sarvodaya Royals are seasoned campaigners, Geno Sports Club is a new team in this year's GPL. These franchisees have various targets for their teams.
Dempo Group Chairman and President of Dempo Cricket Club, Srinivas Dempo envisions growth of Goan cricket.
That we'd like to promote local talent and through the GPL, then probably they have an outlet in IPL and more so. So this is just another opportunity that, Goans get to display their talent in a particular sport, and I'm very excited that, we are there in the race for this. We have a mix of new and old players, and I think it will work good as a combination. They look very confident. The coach is the same, so, we have the same strategy in place. So we are quite excited about the team, and let's see where it takes us. The objective is always to win, and as you said, our performance has never been dismal. We have come very close to winning finals, but last year we made it. See, business opportunities can always be looked again and again. At the moment, I find IPL valuations expensive. We also haven't put in very serious amount of money in cricket. There is no team in the national radar as of now. But as I said, business opportunities come and go. But we'd definitely like to build our cricket in Goa and take it to greater heights.
Boss of 3 times runners-up Sarvodaya Royals, Vilas Desai is hoping that his side will win the title this year.
ह्या वर्साची टुर्नामेंटाक एक्चुअली आमी मिन्स एक टार्गेट आमी दवरलें आसा की जिखपाकच जाय म्हणून. एक्चुअली आमी 3 वेळा जे रनर्स अप जाले ते मायनर मिस्टेक म्हणजे चड व्हडली अशी कांय न्ही. सो वी आर होपिंग दीस इयर ऑल्सो मिन्स वी वील वीन लायक. सुदीप त्यागी म्हणून घेतला जो चेन्नई सुपर किंगाक खेळटालो, इंडियेकूय बी खेळ्ळा आनी सद्या आतां हातूंत रणजी ट्रॉफीकूय आसा तांगेले. सेकंडली वरुण सूद म्हणून दिल्ली, तोय दिल्ली रणजी ट्रॉफी करंट प्लेयर आसा. देन अक्षत पांडे जो रेल्वेक खेळटा. ह्या वर्साक चड करून बॉलिंगाचेर फोकस घेतला. म्हणजे बॉलिंग सायड मातशी लास्ट इयर सुद्दां मातशी आमची वीक जाली मातशी.
Gino Sports Club owner Sagar Salgaonkar believes in encouraging cricketing talents with his team's foray into the GPL.
We are basically approaching the tournament as we are looking to develop the Goan sportsmen. Ami jisi team kela, we have tried to look at players who are utility players, all-rounders, who can bat and bowl and who have been performing well in the previous season. It is very difficult to set targets in cricket because cricket is a game of the day. Which team plays well on that day wins. But we believe, given that the talent that we have got at our disposal from the auctions, if our players play to their full potential, we are looking at least towards reaching the semi-finals of all 3 formats: GPL, the Premier Division, as well as Bangalore Trophy.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.